Have you ever wondered why some businesses make money consistently, while others struggle even when they look busy? The difference is not always the idea. Most times, the difference is something deeper. It is the business model behind the business. In this video, I will show you what a business model really means, how it works, and how you can build one step by step using a simple and powerful tool called the Business Model Canvas. And do not worry, we are going to make this very simple. Think of it like building something with clear parts. Once you understand each part, everything begins to make sense. At Entrepreneurs.ng, we make business easy for entrepreneurs, aspiring entrepreneurs, and the brands that serve them. Do you want to start right? We help you register your business with CAC quickly. Reach out at contact@redalia.com. Do you want guidance as you build your business? Join the Entrepreneurs Success Blueprint program, our 30-day hands-on business school. Enroll now. Do not build in silence. Tell your business story on Entrepreneurs.ng today and be seen by the world. And if you want your brand to be discovered through trusted, search-driven content and strategic visibility, we can help through our different visibility packages. Learn the ways we can work with you at www.entrepreneurs.ng or reach us at business@entrepreneurs.ng. What is a business model? A business model is how you create, develop, and deliver value to your customers. It is the full picture of how your business works. It shows what you offer, who you serve, how you reach them, and how your business makes money. Many people start businesses with excitement and ideas. But an idea is not enough. If there is no clear way to deliver value and generate revenue, the business will struggle, no matter how good the idea sounds. One of the most effective tools for building a business model is the Business Model Canvas. It was created by Alexander Osterwalder, and it helps you see your entire business clearly on one page. At Entrepreneurs.ng, we use the Business Model Canvas to develop strong and sustainable business models. We have mastered how to structure businesses in a way that they are not just active, but profitable. The goal of every business is simple. It must generate enough revenue to cover its costs and make a profit. If you want to build a sustainable business model that works from the beginning, you can explore the business models templates we have at Entrepreneurs.ng shop, https://entrepreneurs.ng/shop/. Now, let us break this down properly. The Business Model Canvas is made up of 9 building blocks. Each one plays an important role, and all of them are connected. Think of it like a system. If one part is missing or weak, the whole business becomes unstable. So we will go through each part carefully in the right order. Value proposition. Let us start with the most important part, your value proposition. This is the value you are giving to your customers by solving a problem or removing a pain. But here is something very important. What you think is valuable may not be what your customers actually need. That is why you must go out and understand your customers instead of sitting down and guessing. A business is not built on assumptions. It is built on real understanding. Before deciding your value, ask yourself simple questions. Am I really giving value? What problem am I solving? What pain am I removing? Once your value is clear, the next step is to understand who you are creating that value for. Customer segment. Your customer segment is the group of people or organizations your business is serving. And this is where many people make mistakes. You cannot serve everybody. If you try to speak to everyone, your message becomes weak and unclear. You must decide clearly who your business is for. At Entrepreneurs.ng, we focus on entrepreneurs and aspiring entrepreneurs. That clarity helps us serve better. In the same way, every business must define its audience clearly. Who are your most important customers? Which segment are you serving? Once you know who your customers are, the next question becomes simple. How do you reach them? Channels. Channels are the ways your business communicates with customers and delivers value to them. These are the places where customers meet your business. It could be online, offline, or both. But here is something important. Your customers may prefer one channel, while you are using another. And that mismatch can affect your results. So you must ask yourself clearly. Where do my customers want to be reached? Where do they already spend their time? Also ask, are these channels cost-effective and working properly? Once customers can find you, the next thing is how you relate with them. Customer relationship. Customer relationship is how your business interacts with your customers. This relationship can be personal or automated, depending on your business model. If you run a digital platform with many users, the relationship may be automated. But if your business is more personal, then direct interaction may deliver more value. Let me show you something powerful. During the COVID period, many co-working spaces shut down. But we stayed open because we improved how we related with our customers. We reached out to them consistently and reassured them. That personal connection helped us retain paying customers even when they were not physically present. So ask yourself, what kind of relationship do my customers want? Is it personal or automated? And is it working for my business? Now that you have value, customers, channels, and relationships, we move to something very important. Revenue stream. Revenue stream is how your business makes money from your customers. A business must not just exist. It must earn. You need to understand how customers pay you, how they prefer to pay, and how easy it is for them to complete payment. If your payment process is difficult, you may lose customers without even knowing. Also, not every source of income is good. If something brings little money but costs too much to maintain, it can hurt your business. So you must focus on the revenue streams that bring real value and support growth. And if you need help structuring your revenue model properly from the beginning, our team at Entrepreneurs.ng can help you build a business model that is designed to generate revenue from day one through the Ask the Expert service, https://entrepreneurs.ng/askanexpert/. Now let us move to what your business needs to function. Key resources. Key resources are the important things your business needs to work successfully. These could be people, money, tools, technology, knowledge, or even your brand. For example, at Entrepreneurs.ng, our key resource is people. To produce valuable content, we need skilled and experienced individuals. In other businesses, it could be equipment, software, or intellectual property. So ask yourself, what do I need to deliver my value properly? Once you know what you need, the next question is simple. What must you do every day? Key activities. Key activities are the most important actions your business must perform daily. These are not random tasks. They are the activities that keep your business running. For us, it includes creating valuable content and solving problems for entrepreneurs. For a manufacturing business, it may be production. For a consulting business, it may be problem solving. So ask yourself, what activities are essential for delivering my value and generating revenue? Now, you do not have to do everything alone. You need partners. Key partners. Key partners are the people or organizations that help your business grow. They can help you reduce risk, scale faster, or access resources you do not have. Some partners may be suppliers. Others may be service providers or even strategic allies. But every partnership must make sense. Ask yourself, will this partnership help me grow? Will it bring value? Or will it create loss? Now we move to the final part. Cost structure. Cost structure is the money your business spends to operate. Every business has costs. Rent, salaries, tools, marketing, and many more. Your goal is to manage these costs carefully, so they do not become too high. Because a business can make money and still fail if expenses are out of control. So always ask, how much is coming in? How much is going out? Now that we have gone through all 9 parts, let us bring everything together. When you combine all these building blocks, you get a clear picture of how your business works. You understand your value, your customers, your revenue, your operations, and your costs. This clarity helps you make better decisions and build a stronger business. Uses of Business Model Canvas. You can use the Business Model Canvas to start a new business. You can use it to improve an existing business by fixing weak areas. You can use it to study competitors and understand what they are doing right or wrong. You can even use it to train your team so everyone understands how the business works. It also helps you explain your business clearly from idea to execution. At Entrepreneurs.ng, we make business easy for entrepreneurs, aspiring entrepreneurs, and the brands that serve them. Do you want to start right? We help you register your business with CAC quickly. Reach out at contact@redalia.com. Do you want guidance as you build your business? Join the Entrepreneurs Success Blueprint program, our 30-day hands-on business school. Enroll now. Do not build in silence. Tell your business story on Entrepreneurs.ng today and be seen by the world. And if you want your brand to be discovered through trusted, search-driven content and strategic visibility, we can help through our different visibility packages. Learn the ways we can work with you at www.entrepreneurs.ng or reach us at business@entrepreneurs.ng. Subscribe to the channel. Follow Entrepreneurs.ng and explore more resources that will help you build your business with clarity and confidence. Your business does not need to be complicated, but it must be clear. And clarity is where strong businesses begin.